Have you ever wondered how to monetize your YouTube channel? It's a question that swirls around the minds of many aspiring content creators. Well, wonder no more. Today, we're diving into the 10-step process of transforming your YouTube channel into a money-making machine. First things first, you need a YouTube channel. If you haven't created one yet, sign up for a Google account and create a channel. Make sure to choose a niche or topic you're passionate about or have expertise in. Consistency is key in the world of YouTube. So, step 2 involves creating and uploading high-quality content regularly. Aim for content that engages, entertains, or educates your audience. Once you've built up a solid base of content, it's time for step 3, enabling monetization. To qualify for the YouTube Partner Program, you typically need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over the past 12 months. Step 4 requires you to set up a Google AdSense account. This is where the magic happens. AdSense is the platform that will enable you to earn money from ads displayed on your videos. Now, on to step 5, where you'll decide on the types of ads to display. YouTube offers a variety of ad formats, including display ads, overlay ads, skippable and non-skippable video ads, and sponsored cards. Step 6 involves optimizing your videos for monetization. Follow YouTube's community guidelines and advertiser-friendly content guidelines to ensure your videos are advertiser-friendly. Promotion is the name of the game in Step 7. Boost your views and subscribers by promoting your channel on social media, collaborating with other YouTubers, optimizing your video titles, descriptions, and tags for search engines, or visiting Buy Social Traffic website in description below for our promotional packages. Engagement is crucial, and that's where Step 8 comes in. Building a loyal audience means responding to comments, asking for feedback, and interacting with your viewers through community posts, live streams, and social media. In Step 9, consider diversifying your revenue streams. Channel memberships, merchandise sales, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, crowdfunding, and hosting paid events can all provide additional income. Finally, Step 10 is all about tracking your performance and adapting your strategy. Use YouTube analytics to understand what content resonates with your audience and optimize your monetization strategy accordingly. So there you have it, an easy-to-follow 10-step process to monetize your YouTube channel. Remember, consistency, quality content, and audience engagement are key. Let Buy Social Traffic help you today. Happy monetizing!